Warning! Creepy characters.
Y'all smell real good.
It's Armani. Surprise scares. And horror. Digital Daniel.
Hello.
And myself are at the Howl at Mead Open Farm.
It's gonna be scary.
Who are y'all talking to?
I'm talking to my friends on the box.
You got people in there?
Yep.
It's a buckwheat from Thorpe Park. They've escaped.
And come to Luton. Wow. We've been in here like 2 minutes and I can't believe my eyes. Do you know what I've just seen, Dan?
What have you seen, Sam?
A cool photo opportunity. Do you know how much I like that?
I do remember how much you like that. I've seen your videos before. Subscribe.
Completed it, mate. Mead Open Farm is just an innocent farmyard, but has been overtaken by Halloween. Are you terrified?
I'm unexistent.
I'm terrified. This is my first ever specifically built Halloween attraction outside of theme parks. This is a real step up for me, so I'm going to do my best to get on all 5 or 6 of the mazes and try and keep composed so I can at least do a bit of a review. Oh no. There's already street theatre.
I'm a scare actor.
I do actually need a moment before I do my first ever scare maze.
You're not scared at all. Let's big you up to the camera. He is not scared. Look at this man. He's not shaking. Look, his hands are not going on the piano.
Wait, they can tell I'm not shaking because I'm filming like that, look. Quick intermission. If you're new around here, please do consider subscribing if you want to see me cry in a maze. I can literally hear them screaming in there. Dan, you sold me a dream. Admittedly, I have wimped out of the shed, but in true rhyming fashion, we're going to start with red. Apparently it's a little less scary. Wait, this is the entrance. This is the entrance.
Listen to it. It sounds beautiful.
Oh.
Can you hear it?
Yes, I can. Oh, at least it's not as dark as I thought.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, mother hubbard.
Oh.
God's sake. Oh my God, no, just leave it out, please.
Sorry for bringing you this.
Oh my God, you ruined my life. All right, no, I'm stopping here. Dan, you said this weren't scary. Oh my days. If that moves, I'm going to literally, I think it's just a statue. Oh my God, it's not!
Hi!
Oh no, come on, please! Oh, have a day off. I'm so frightened. Oh, you startled me. I didn't want you to know, I don't care. I don't even care. No! Oh my God, what is this? Oh my God! What the hell? Dan, you left me! Red. It was so scary. There was way more than just actors in there. It's definitely a level up from theme park mazes in terms of intensity. Daniel, how did you find it?
Very scary compared to what I thought it'd be, but it was very good. It was so funny seeing your reaction to it.
Fair enough then, let's go. This one's called The Attic. Cash in the Attic. David Dickinson.
Funny joke.
Yeah. Oh my God, no, just leave it out. The attic was terrifying. As expected, we went through creepy areas of a house, including a bathroom, which stunk of... I'm feeling brave. Are you brave?
I am brave, strong, and determined.
Such a melt. Next up, Squealer's Yard. There's probably a pun there, but I'm too terrified to think of one. Dan.
You'll be fine, mate. You'll be...
Where are you, Dan? Dan?
Hold my arm!
I don't like that. I really don't like that. I'll be honest.
Look how it's
That is not a good work from home space.
Why did you think...
It's a human hog roast. What?
You got meatballs for me, boy?
Sam, this way! Sam, this way! This way! This way!
Oh, oh sorry.
Y'all smell real good.
It's Armani.
Right.
They like before they take yours. I don't know what to say. It went on forever. Probably chainsaws were terrifying. Yeah. It was in that room where it was just flashing and it was pitch black and misty.
good maze. On to the next one.
Might as well do the shed, seeing as it's right next to the pig farm. If it's anything like my shed at home, this is going to be scary.
I am a shed.
But what is that? I'm getting more excited, but this one's the one that I'm fairly alarmed by.
You'll be fine.
Behind the camera. Hide behind the camera. Oh my god, you got down! What? I'm not moving past you. Tired of all these jump scares. Those last two mazes, Squealers and the Shed, were definitely the top two so far.
Big scary.
Twisted Toppers. Looks like there's clowns involved. My biggest fear in the world is clowns. So I actually don't know if I want to go in this one.
I'm dragging him on. I'm a good parent.
Thanks, Dad. Oh. I'm just scared of clowns. Scared of Krusty the Clown. Scared of the clown from American Horror Story.
Scared of me.
Yeah, digital clown.
You know what to say? Hey!
Macarena.
What? How do I get through here? I'm claustrophobic, Darren. What the hell? This is so discombobulating.
You know this song?
Yeah?
Sing it!
You spin my head
With more passion!
like a record, baby, right round. Right round. That wasn't as scary as the other ones, considering I'm scared of clowns.
You did very well.
Yeah. But it was the most fun.
Yeah, I'd agree with that. Very much fun, very much cool. And now we're going to head to do the newest maze of the year. I can't remember what it's called.
Howl Valley High. The newest maze at the Howl. I wonder how this will go.
How are we feeling?
I'm joking.
How are we feeling?
One more.
How?
Howl Valley High? Oh, it's not. It's
Why is that?
Wow, this is intense already.
Light! 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 You're light gun!
This is amazing. Wait, I've got to go that way.
Hello, Sam.
What? Dan! Wait, hold up. Oh, we're in the library now. Nothing loud ever happens in the library. Oh my god!
You're stuck now there!
What the hell? Really not liking this bit, I'll be honest. Oh, get me out of here now. What?
Yeah, that's all you've done.
That's crazy. We definitely saved the best till last. That one, they've really upped their game on the newest maze. The set pieces were amazing, and the actors in there were incredible, and then just the general atmosphere was very intense.
Thanks for watching what? That's me! How did you do that?
It's got
Some magic, Daddy.
Yeah, magic.
Am I stuck in there?
Yeah, do you want me to let you out?
Yes, please.
Okay,
Hey,
you're out.
goodbye, thank you very much.
Ciao, legends. Just say goodbye.
Bye!
That was good, wasn't it? Please, sir, can we have some more? You don't have to call me sir. But here's your link. Click it. Sir Pun a lot would sound cool though.